a Anson as it climbs away. That courtesy of its Armstrong Siddeley Cheetah engines. Very much at Duxford displays, and certainly they are both fairly rare birds. In fact, there's no other cosmic wind currently flying in the world. Like Tony Revere, a Lockheed test pilot who in wartime flew aircraft such as the Hudson and the P-38 Lightning. In fact, he was instrumental in ironing out, with a team of designers and builders drawn from the Lockheed staff, the cosmic wind was the machine he came up with. The original 3 were built by Levere's company. 4 when it was flown by Dennis Hartus, and it won that year's British Air Racing Championship. But even though it was far from designed for aerobatics, it's always... When you see the cosmic in the Korean War, liaison light transport and ambulance aircraft. Later on, Beavers were stalwarts of the British Army Air Corps, with the delivery of their first in 1961, and in support of Army operations throughout, acquired by ARC, and their restoration has seen it turned into a far more luxurious machine than ever was the case in the Beavers' Army heyday. It's got new avionics, a luxurious rear cabin, and even, I believe, a music system on other venues. In fact, being now in the hands of Martin Overall,